Hi DIYers, this is Frank at Alarm Grid. We're back in the Alarm Grid lab here working on the 2GIG GC3 panel. That's the newest Go Control self-contained wireless alarm system. We're working in programming today on question 16 on allowing or disabling the Quick Exit feature. This is a feature that allows you, when the system is already armed stay, not armed away, to basically reset your exit delay. So if somebody's in the home and the system is armed, maybe you need to go to work in the morning, but your family's still in the premise and it's armed already. You want to be able to exit, keep the system armed. It's an easy feature when enabled to simply press Quick Exit. You have the exit delay period to exit the home, and then it'll rearm automatically to stay mode. So by default, this feature is enabled. So I recommend keeping it that way unless you have some security reason to disable it, but we'll show you how to disable it anyways. So the first thing we're going to do is pop into programming. There's two ways to enter programming on the Go controls. One is by hitting the 2GIG symbol on the top right and entering the installer code, which by default is 1561, and then hitting system configuration and panel programming. And it'll show you how to get into the question-based programming here. So I can show you how to get in the other way at the end of the video, but this is usually the easiest way, just 2GIG on the top and then get into the installer toolbox. The first question is the installer code. We'll leave that at default for now. You can go all the way down here, just grab the screen and push down to question 16, and you can hit, we'll select 16 there, allow quick exit arming. You can enable or disable this. Again, by default it's enabled, so you'll see it's already toggled to enabled. If we wanted to disable it to prevent this feature or this button from being on the system during arm stay mode to allow a quick exit, then just click toggle this to disabled, and then in order to back out, we'll hit return to system configuration. You'll see that the panel programming symbol here is orange. That means something needs to be saved. If you go to back out, this is where it will show you what changes have been made in programming. So it says Q16 has been disabled. So that's allow quick exit is basically disabled now. So we're not allowing the quick exit to occur. We can always save to lock in a change there, and then it'll bring you back to the home screen, and we'll see it's ready to arm, and that's really all you need to do to disable the quick exit feature. If you have any other questions in panel programming regarding the 2GIG GC3 panel, you can email us at support@alarmgrid.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.